Diane in Denmark here, and rah rah rah. I'm starting a new challenge today. It's going to be a 5-day challenge. You can do it any 5 days that you like, but as always, the key to your success with these things is going to be consistency. So, you know, I've said it before. Let me just put my pom-poms to the side. I've said it before. You know, if you are sick or ill or you know, if you've got a valid excuse, that's all right for skipping it one day. But if you're skipping it because you are tired, that is not an excuse, because the whole point of these little challenges is to make you see that by doing things, you know, by having a plan and following your plan, you're going to make less work for yourself, or in this case with this challenge, you're going to have more time for yourself and to enjoy things that you like doing. Oh, just hold on a wee minute. Sorry, that was needed there. Anyway, so these videos, you know, I've done 40-day declutter challenge. We've done that a couple of times. We've done a virtual retreat. We have done the Flylady routines challenge. We've done a weekly home blessing challenge. So today we are doing a self-care challenge. We're going to do it for 5 days, and it's going to be a bit different this time because I'm only going to speak in these videos for 5 minutes, so I am not keeping you back. The idea is that I give you a little pep talk for the 5 minutes. I'm going to give you a mission for each day, and plus you're going to do something for yourself for 5 or 10 or 15 minutes afterwards. So anyway, let's go with it. Now, as usual, if you can write this down, you know, add it, if you've done Flylady or any kind of control journal, write it down and add it, because if you're not ticking these things off, if you're not kind of planning to do these things, if you're not adding it into your telephone as a reminder, it's not going to happen, okay? Because I know it from personal experience, we have so much going on, and especially if you feel like you need the self-care challenge, you've got to plan for it. You've got to plan for your success. So anyway, I've been talking for a couple of minutes, and I'll give you your mission for today. Your mission for today is to look out an outfit for tomorrow. Now, I've talked about this getting dressed to shoes many times before. I'm not going to go into the ins and outs of it because I've covered that in other videos. I want you to go right now, if you're watching this video when you're at home, go and look out your outfit for tomorrow. Now, for those of you who are already looking at your outfit tomorrow, go you, give yourself a little pom-pom shake. But you're going to up your game a bit, and you're going to add something to your outfit. Maybe you haven't been wearing jewellery, maybe you haven't worn, I don't know, a bold lipstick for a long time. Maybe you have been wearing really comfortable clothes and thinking, oh, the good stuff, you should keep it. You have to change something up. So go and look at your outfit for tomorrow and do something a bit different with it. You know, let's just take it, I'm not saying we're going to be dressed as if we're going for tea with the Queen, but just take it up to the next level. We're not raising the bar so high that we can't get over it, remember that. And once you've done that, go you know, put it on the back of your wardrobe door, or put it in the bathroom so that you're all ready for tomorrow. Then I want you to set your timer for 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever you can manage, and you're just going to sit today and think about what is it that you like to do. If you can sit down and start knitting for 5 minutes, or you can read a magazine for 10 minutes, that's great. If you have trouble sitting down and knowing what to do, I want you to get a piece of paper and start brainstorming. I'm going to be giving you some ideas of things that might get you back into that kind of self-care mode and relaxing. But as I said, if you've got something that you like to do, sit up with your feet up in your comfy chair and do it. Set your timer for 5 minutes, go for 5 minutes to begin with. If you can do 5 or 10, that's great. And when you're finished it, you know, mark it off in your piece of paper, your control journal, and I shall see you tomorrow for the next step. Okay, so I'm going to keep it under the 5 minutes because I want you to switch off now, like hit that button, go off and do something, go and look at your outfit and go and do something for yourself for 5 or 10 or 15 minutes. Right, Diane in Denmark saying, live long and prosper. May the Danish Sugar be with you, and I shall see you all tomorrow. Bye for now.